He works hard to give her all he thinks she wants. Free car garage, her own credit cards. He pulls in late to wake her up with a kiss goodnight. If he could only read her mind, she'd say, buy me a rose, call me from her, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me by the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need most in my life. Now the days have grown to years of feeling all alone, and she can't help but wonder what she's doing wrong. 'Cause lately she tried anything to turn his head. Would it make a difference if she said to me, buy me a rose, call me from her, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me by the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need the most in my life. In a move out he leaves, boundless and he tries to show her the love that he holds inside. And the more that she gives, the more that he sees. This is a story of you and me. So I bought you a rose on the way home from her, open the door to all that I heard. Welcome. I love you by the look in your eyes, 'cause I'm gonna make things right for the rest of your life. I'm gonna hold you tonight, do all these little things for the rest of your life.